What's up, you mentally challenged people? I'm just kidding, you guys aren't mentally challenged, but you know, I have the Gary wherever he goes. Here he is, and he just bought a truck. It's a 95 1500 Chevy, and as always, tie rods. It's a great time. And I know in the last video I said I was gonna do like a part 2, but the camera died right as we were getting into it, and it just kind of went together so fucking easily, so I'm not gonna fucking worry about it. But if you take a look-see-poo, it's all put back together. It looks real good. Everything works. The sunroof doesn't work yet. I have to go through and do some alignments in the old frame. But yeah, I put a new compressor over the toolbox, so that's in. Put the antennas back on. I put the new mirrors on, so there's not one that's broken. They both look brand new. I know they're a little dirty, but they look brand new. Yeah. So yeah, but a little update. There's probably not a part 2. I don't have any footage from putting that all back together, but it was interesting. But yeah, so we're doing the tie rod on the passenger side of Gary's truck because Chevy tie rods are junk. Right. Chevy tie rods are junk.
Yeah, very much so.
See, even he says it, and he owns one.
Yep. Never sit underneath a jacked up truck.
It's fine, there's tires.
Yep. Bushings. Alright.
Oh, it's actually a pretty nice truck for being a 95. It's very clean. It's got a 5.7. The old junk transmission that came with them as well.
Mm-hmm.
But otherwise, it's actually a really nice truck, and I don't like Chevys, so. But yeah, hold up, let's see if I can fucking pop this bitch out. Nada.
She just pulling.
Oh well.
Okay.
Well, sorry. You're like, give me it as I was dropping it. You can change the angle of the head on that, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so we're gonna sit here and fight with fucking tie rods for a little bit. It's a great time. Great time. We're gonna love life. Alright, I'll check back in with you. On the 5-minute update, we got that bitch out. But that hoe is a pain in the ass. It does not want to come out. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, it's pretty good, pretty great. He needs to wash this bitch. It's all nasty. It's like a sandbox in there. Oh. What are you doing?
Cocky.
Cocky?
Cocky bastard.
Nasty. Did you get it? Here, hold it in your mouth. You can do it.
You mean
broke.
you can break it?
Broke.
I know.
What a cunt.
Those tie rods didn't even have a cotter key in them when they were supposed to.
You'll be alright.
Yeah, I can put them in again with that one. I wonder what the torque spec is.
Right, just pull. I mean, really, you could reuse that guy. You just gotta bend her back. There's one. It's a great time.
She's a leaky girl.
There you go. This one's all done.
Oh, I was gonna just smack it with an impact.
No.
Shouldn't need to. I mean, the nut's still on there a little loose, but it's better than it was. It's not gonna move any. You like our no jack stand system? It's pretty great.
Who needs jack stands?
That's all we've got is tires. It'll be alright. Ugh.
She's a little dirty.
Just use some brake clean. Brake clean will wash your sins away, except herpes. That shit stays with you.
That's why I want to smack it with a fucking impact.
I wouldn't tighten it too much. It's gonna do that. You might just need a new fucking arm ski. Here we go. The old brake clean. Just don't start this bitch for a little bit.
It'll dry up.
Lucky.
I'll make sure not to use a lighter anytime soon.
Probably a good idea. You wanna grab some of them shot towels? Like I said, brake clean will wash away all your sins. Not herpes. That shit stays with you. It's all clean.
Here's yourself a blue sock.
Ooh. The American wiener trap. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
I can't.
Why?
I'm pregnant.
Birthing at it.
If I could, I would.
What is it?
What?
What is it?
Oh, I was just like, you want one, Miss Dana? She's like, I can't. I'm having a baby. I'm like, just birthing addict. It'll be fine.
Oh, for the Zenitinos?
Mm-hmm.
I'll take one of those.
Trying out the coffee ones right now.
Huh?
Trying the coffee ones right now.
Let me try one of them bitches. Yeah! Ow! Ooh!
Oh no, if they look right.
Ooh, the splines on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's supposed to be that way.
Here.
Give her some of the old soul juice. It's like a reward. Oh, that's not supposed to be that way.
Oh yeah, the dent. I think that's why it's leaking.
Hold on, you come here and take a look, Pooh. You tell me if that's supposed to be that way. See the old dent right there? Right above the splines where it's leaking out of the bottom of the power steering box? That's not supposed to be that way. Yeah, hit her with the old soul juice. Yeah. The Crosby in a can.
You can give her a shot the old Crosby sauce.
Crosby. Oh. Hit her with the old 1-2. But so focused. So focused. Yup. Hopefully be home for the what's it called? Clubs for Courage. I think they posted the other day that there's only like one spot left for a fucking team. Not me though. My team's on there. It's gonna be
Upper decky with a hint of brake clean.
That's fantastic.
Goes hard.
Probably one of the best. But yeah, so we put a team together. It's me, the hippie Wade, Garrett, and La Papa Joe. La Papa. It's Papa Joe now. This guy's just under here touching shit.
But touching you.
Ooh. Tempt me with a good time.
It's not a threat.
Hell yeah. You can't make promises and not follow through like that. Well, this is a great time.
Whoa! Huff and brake clean. Oh, look, he's standing. He's standing. He's a badass.
Oh, that guy rolling down the old road on the tractor. What a guy.
Yep, on my tractor.
Yep, on my tractor. Ooh.
Alright, where is the old
Autism.
Pimpact?
Pimpact.
Oh, slap it.
You mean the old Benjamin?
What size do you think that is?
Fuck, I don't know. 3/4?
Here, can you see if this is it? Probably not. Fucking 13.
Oh my god.
I feel like it's more like a 3/4.
I just said 3/4. 4?
I didn't hear you. You didn't speak loud.
3/4.
Hmm?
3/4.
Tres.
He just touched my butt. I feel violated. Stay. How's it going? Hit him with the old... Yeah, sometimes you just gotta use the old Crosby sauce. Like it's a... You don't buy it. Wash all the grime.
I don't care who says this is an effective way to get hot.
It's fantastic.
I want to hear colors.
And see sounds?
Yeah.
I want to taste the rainbow.
I need to get a shit ton of degreaser.
That's why you have your brake clean.
Yeah.
Fucking
I don't think this is a fucking...
That's
It
not,
don't look like a 3/4.
not a good idea. Don't do it.
No. That ain't a 3/4. Right, way too small. Yeah. Let's see if it's a crunch.
A crunch? Just trying to get all the Crosby sauce off this shit. It's kind of nasty. Yeah, it shouldn't be on there, homie. Ooh, it's all shiny now. It's a great time. Yeah, grab me some of them Zinnichinos from Schnizzle. I need an upper decky African sugar lip pillow. Oh, yeah. Birds out here going crazy.
Not gonna lie, coffee go hard as hell.
Does it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Jesus fucking Christ. Keep talking.
Oh.
Yeah, this is good enough.
What is it? Break, perform. Transformation on the side of the label. Twist lids, align with arrow, and lift. Place an upper lip, enjoy up to 1 hour.
Or do one every 30 minutes.
Upper decky?
Mm-hmm.
For the old coffee flavor.
I'll give her a Dugga.
Nuggy Duggy.
Dugga. One Dugga a day keeps the doctor away.
I'm not tasting nothing.
It takes a second. Now where'd I put it? There it is.
It is at your mom's house.
What you want?
What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
Where's the swipes? Swiper, no swiping. Come on.
Wes,
Stop being a whore.
get your ass down here.
Be a man. Swallow it.
No, that's disgusting. That's disgusting. Mm. Got the old Wesson and the Thorn. And then Hannah's Tannin. Great time. Super nice out. So yeah. I will get back to the old video when we get an update. It's a good thing. But it's still not off. Don't worry, we have the Brody.
I'm gonna save the day.
He's gonna save the day.
3 brain cells.
We already used a fucking can of brake clean.
Yeah, because at this point, what I would do, because if you got a torch, we can heat up like right in here, because you're not reusing these.
Fuck.
Yeah, so we'll fucking heat this portion up right here. It should expand this guy just enough for you to,
Schwack.
Yep.
Or pry.
Yep. Looks like it's somewhat coming out though, so whatever you're doing might be working. All else fails, torch.
Prying and schmacking.
I'm gonna get my torch real quick. Otto did it. It's pretty great. Got a PC, doing all the editing on that now. Say hi to the peoples of YouTube. Hello. Oh, that's Grace. Need that guy. Torch. Because pain in the ass. I just like to randomly stop and stare at Weston just because he looks at me like I'm retarded. But I'm not. Let's see if we can catch this truck on fire.
Preferably not. Oh, that's been smoking already.
Yeah, what we could do is, I mean, I've never used that tool, but we've used the actual forks that you go in and fucking...
Yeah, I wish I had a fork because that's what I use.
It's funny because my boyfriend has that. That's what he said.
Alright, we'll come back to you when we get this bitch off. Maybe.
Well, it's not coming off. It's being a pain in the ass. They ran to get a fork. Basically, you take this guy and you put a fork like this, and you hit it, and it's wedged. You can just pop that fucker off. But I'm going to show you how to do an alignment when you're doing an alignment when you're doing tie rod ends. So I already counted on like the base of the tie rod on the old one. Since this is already aligned, you can go either from the little thing that comes off like this, like the bolt or whatever, or you can go from this end. So from this end there's 8 threads. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8. So what I'm gonna do is follow that guy around, and then I'm gonna mark it, and that's where that's gonna get threaded back into. So I doubt you'll be able to see it, but there's like a little black mark right there. That's where it's gonna get threaded back into. On the inner tie rod, you can tell the inner from the outer. This is an inner, it's right there. Outer, it's right there. This is also 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And then just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Perfection. When you do tie rod ends, where'd it go? Make sure you get the ones that have the castle nut. So this guy. And then they also come with a cotter pin. If they don't come with a cotter pin, it's not that big of a deal. You can just go to any hardware store and get one. So yeah, but the outer tie rod, this guy is gonna have a nut. You just slide this nut on to like the very end of it, and then when you put it to where you want it, you lock this fucking nut, and they'll do all the adjustment, should be doing all the adjustment on the inner tie rod, not the outer. Any alignment shop should be doing that. But as we know, there's not a lot of people out there anymore that are fucking or very smart in the brain and use common sense. You shouldn't ever have to move the outer tie rod, because that's the one that's connected to your fucking tire, well, to the steering knuckle. So you should never have to move that one. If you are moving that one, something's fucked up and you shouldn't. So yeah, which this one, they don't have it because it's all factory, so they don't have the fucking thingy right there. They don't have the nut. And then these ones don't have cotter pins in it, which is kind of dumb. I don't know why they didn't do that, but they should. It's just an extra thing of caution. So most vehicles will have an inner tie rod and outer tie rod. This one's weird. This is the inner. It also looks like the outer. See? They look the same, but this also has a drag bar in the middle. So it has the pitman arm, which comes off the bottom of the steering box, which is way on the driver's side. Has the pitman arm that comes up, and that's what moves the drags like. And then it's got an idler arm, which is that fucking guy right there. And that, it makes sure that this moves equal and even, so it stays like this, and it's not doing this or this, you know. So where if you have a rack and pinion, it's gonna be this outer tie rod, and then it'll be a straight fucking bar into a boot, like kind of like that boot. But yeah, the more you know. The more you know. Big brain in it. Alright, we'll get back when they get back.
Wow. Well, we got the tie rod. Yeah, we got the tie rod end off. No thanks to Landon. Fuck it. Wow. Spaghetti, chicken, spaghetti, chicken, spaghetti, chicken, chicken, chicken. What are you doing?
Question is, am I going to pull these on or am I going to have to twist these crackers?
Just by the looks of it, you're gonna have to de-thread them.
Twist.
Yeah.
Let's see if this works. Probably won't, but. No. Oh, well, maybe? Nope.
Working on an old ship box brought to you by Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper and Zen.
Hell yeah.
Call me the Zen Gremlin. Alright. Now,
Alright, now that it's loosened.
now to do the opposite. Actually, let's put it here. I was gonna say break this one loose so we aren't just using this.
I bet the neighbors are like, what the fuck are they doing? This is how we do shit around here, man. No, that side's not hot. This side. This side, this side, this side. I want to hit myself here.
It's going.
Is it?
It's slow. You can see because notice how it's brighter.
Ah.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
There we go.
Hold up. All right.
Break that bitch off.
Okay, she's going.
I got it.
Welcome back to the seagull dying.
I wish we had a vice.
Why not have the seagull?
I promise we not killing kids here.
No, we're not.
Only on Sundays.
Only on days that end in Y.
Oh my god.
God.
She was a little leaky.
It is getting easier to do though.
Fucking hands.
Children are still dying.
You know, Freddy Krueger, this shit.
Oh, tough spot. Tough spot. You're like 5 threads away. No, you're not. You're actually way further than 5.
Yeah, I noticed. But it is a
Look
lot
at that
easier.
face.
Oh my god, I love this
Look at that face.
We went and got a grinder. The old fucking tie rods are too long. Probably should have measured that
Right.
first.
Maybe.
Oh well.
You live and you learn.
We'll figure it out. Pretty great. And then it's done. Almost done.
Pretty much done.
Pretty much done. Yep.
Chill tight.
Ask me about my wiener. No?
No, I don't know. How is it nowadays?
Oh, it's great.
Still working?
No.
It doesn't work as well. What does it hurt when I pee?
What are you doing in my house?
I want waffle fries.
I want waffle fries.
God, I miss using these things. Just kidding. This is why I'm going deaf.
Oh, that's why you're going deaf?
multiple things.
Oh.
This just started.
Oh.
You know, and then a piece of shit aircraft.
It's fair. Alright, we'll be back.